Inflation in the United States, 2.1%. Unemployment, 4.1%. Risk of a recession in the next year, down to 15% according to some economists. All good news, said President Joe Biden on Thursday.
I know people are still hurting, but things are changing rapidly. Together, we've changed America for the better.
Problem is, many U.S. voters struggling to cover the bills didn't believe Biden.
Right now, it's just the economy. Get people working, spending money. They don't want to spend anything. Everything's too expensive.
And now President-elect Donald Trump told these voters to trust him.
I stand before you today as the only candidate who can rescue our economy, and I mean from obliteration, and restore it to strength, prosperity, and greatness.
Against this backdrop, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates for a second time this year. Chair Jerome Powell told reporters the central bank is still trying to right-size the economy after several years of pandemic-related inflation, supply chain shortages, and surging housing prices.
The election will have no effects on our policy decisions. After today's move, we're down 75 basis points, and we're asking ourselves, is that where we need to be? You know that we're trying to steer between the risk of moving too quickly and perhaps undermining our progress on inflation, or moving too slowly and allowing the labor market to weaken too much. We're trying to be on a middle path.
But Powell also said he knows the big picture isn't resonating with many Americans, such as this man.
Yes, I voted for Trump so that the economy would grow more and so that we would have a better country.
Thank you very much. Wow.
But the voters' expectations could be put on hold. Trump has promised to end the central bank's independence.
If he asked you to leave, would you go?
No.
Do you think that legally you're not required to leave?
No.
A power struggle over the Fed could ignite a new round of economic instability in the U.S. and around the world. Not what anyone wants. Rosiland Jordan, Al Jazeera, Washington.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.